Welcome to solverfy.
This is the answer to Chapter 19, problem number 53 from the Smith Organic Chemistry textbook. And in this problem, we're given these two molecules that are labeled A and B. And so A is a hydrocarbon and B is a carboxylic acid. And we're asked to write out the steps to separate these two molecules. And so what we would do first is dissolve both of these. So I'm assuming that they're mixed together. So does dissolve have two S's in it? It does. Okay, good. So dissolve both or the mixture of the two. So I'll just say both. So dissolve both in an organic solvent. For example, methylene chloride. Dissolve both in organic solvent. Methylene chloride, ether, hexanes. I'm not sure offhand what they would both be soluble in, but almost everything is soluble in methylene chloride. So we will say methylene chloride or dichloromethane, CH2Cl2. So we dissolve both in methylene chloride in this example. And so next, in a SEP funnel, so a separatory funnel, abbreviated to SEP. So in a SEP funnel, we're going to add some basic aqueous solution. So we could say 10% aqueous, which is AQ. Let's use sodium bicarbonate, NaHCO3. When we do that, what's going to happen is B, the carboxylic acid, will be deprotonated. Once it's deprotonated like that, it's no longer soluble in organic solvent, but it is soluble in water. So it's an ion, so it will now be soluble in water. And of course, aqueous sodium bicarbonate is 10% sodium bicarbonate and 90% water. And so the methylene chloride layer will be on the bottom. The aqueous layer will be on the top. And so all that we need to do now is separate the two layers that we have. And so we separate the layers. And as I said, A will be in the organic solvent still. And B will be in the water layer. And so that's it. That's the steps for doing what's known as an acid-base extraction. So we're taking advantage of the fact that one of these molecules can be deprotonated, and that will make it soluble in water, where the other molecule will remain insoluble in water and soluble in organic solvent. And once we've done that, we can just separate those layers and we will get our two molecules separated. And that's the answer to Chapter 19.